Welcome back. Let's do question 182. A jeweler manufacturer measured the diameters of 400 gold spheres produced by machine A and another 400 produced by machine B. The results are represented in the cumulative frequency curves alongside. So we have for machine A and for machine B. It says determine the 50th percentile of the diameters of the gold spheres produced by machine A. So what do we do here? 50th percentile. So it means we have to find 50% of the total number of data items. The 50th percentile is position number what? We can say 50% of 400. And then 50% of 400, that means that's the 200th position, right? The other thing we could have done is to remember that the 50th percentile is your median. Remember that the 25th percentile is the lower quartile. 50th percentile, median. 75th percentile, your upper quartile. You could have used n over 2 and say 400 divided by 2 and then get your 200. This means that the 50th percentile is in the 200th position. And then which diameter is that? We come to our graph, then 200th position is here, and then we interpolate, and then we read from the graph. It means 5.9 millimeters of the 50th percentile. Okay, meaning that 50% of the diameters are shorter than 5.9 and 50% of the diameters are longer than 5.9. Alright, and then the question says determine the 50th percentile of the diameters of gold spheres produced by machine A. So the 58th percentile is 5.9 is equal to 5.9 millimeters.